I'm out here at Blooming Junction. I'm with Ron. Ron, we've gotten some rains now. It's definitely fall.
Finally.
But you got this great new building.
We do. It's our soon-to-be new retail greenhouse. We hope to be open here in a couple weeks, and we'll have some fun indoor shopping available.
Which is great, because now that the weathers are turning, to have that covered space.
Right, right.
Now that we do have the rains and it is fall, you have some great selection of some fall plants. So show me kind of what you got on the cart today.
Well, I've got, I just picked out a few things that I think are fun in the fall. I've got the Pensman Dark Towers here. We've got the Heuchera Fire Chief. These are great in pots right now, especially up by the front porch with your other fall decor. We've got an Aster Professor Kippenberg. I've got a Helenium here, Carnival, which is beautiful. These always do really well in the late summer. Of course, you can't have fall without Sedum Autumn Joy. This is a great one right now too for pollinators, especially bumblebees.
Yeah.
Bumblebees love this one. Something that we always get questions about in the fall is the Parthenocissus tricuspidata, because it goes through such intense fall color.
Right.
So we have some of that here.
And this is a nice trailing, right? It'll self.
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. Be a little careful what it attaches to, because it definitely will attach.
And grasses are always kind of a fun fall plant too. So what's this guy?
This is a Miscanthus Blondo. We also have our oak leaf hydrangea here. I pulled this out because the leaves go through some absolutely fabulous fall color. It's done blooming, but
you start seeing that red's coming out.
Yeah, frankly, I have a couple of these at home, and I grow them for the foliage, the fall color. And then we got some Persicaria, some Barbarus.
So there's some,
and of course, some
having a
holly
lot
here.
of blooms going into the fall.
Oh
is
yeah,
nice,
definitely,
nice too.
definitely.
With all these fall colors and the blooms, we talk a lot about planting for fall. And why is fall such a good time to get planting?
Well, fall's a good time for a few reasons. One, people I think are a little burned out over summertime, and they're just kind of enjoying what they have and keeping it going. With the fall rains and stuff like that, you could definitely work your soil easier. Plants also continue to stimulate root growth in the late summer and fall. What that'll do is take you in through winter, where it still is producing roots, just not as much. Then in springtime, you have the benefit of deeper roots. Your perennials are going to be basically twice as big as when you planted in fall. Perennials, when you buy them in the spring or summertime, they kind of just do their thing for that year. It's that second season that they really take off. And then going into summertime, your plants are much more established and can handle any kind of drought.
Right. And you guys have, a special going on now.
We do. We have a fall clearance or a fall inventory reduction sale going on. We have plenty of inventories, so we welcome people to come on down.
Well, good. So make sure you come out to Blooming Junction. Check out their new covered retail space. It's only going to get better in the coming weeks as you start filling this up. Pick up some great plants for fall. There's lots of color, there's lots of flowers. So come out and see Ron and his staff out here at Blooming Junction. So thanks for having us out today.
Thanks, Ryan.